Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Adadayo and Mushu. Mushu says hi. Mushu say hi. No? Okay. Well, welcome back. And in this video I'm going to be showing you my install of my hair right there. My curly hair. I'm going to try to find the link of where I got it on AliExpress, but it's one of my old wigs. I had to comb it out, wash it, you know, deep condition it and all that good stuff. And then I also decided to dye it black, doing the hot water method. And yeah, so now we're going to start getting this hair installed. So this is the hair, all washed and dried. So this is it before I'm going to customize it a bit. Let's do this. So you guys have seen, if you watch my other videos, you can go and see how I literally put the foundation all over, and then I always put my darker contour stick on the edge towards the front right here, because it just blends better. Okay, so I have put my foundation on the lace and did my method that I've shown you guys in some of my previous wig installs, and now we're going to install the hair. I'm basically just pushing some of the hair out of the way so I can see the lace that I'm going to try to melt. So when I cut the lace, I had messed up when I was putting the band on, and I put this part a little bit too closer to where I want my lace. So it's always a bit annoying, but still make it work. All right, it looks weird because I just moved the hair back. So now I'm just going to get some alcohol and then cotton swab or cotton pad. Just gonna clean in front of my hair. The Black Ebon Lace Spray. Always try to spray in front of your hairline, and if you have a small ratio or like measurements from forehead to your hairline, then of course pull your hair back, use the spray, and then like gel your like use a brush, edge brush or toothbrush, whatever, and just, you know, get your hair back, blow dry it, and then put your wig cap on, foundation and all that good stuff, and then still try to just like spray in front. I forgot to state earlier, I am switching between the warm and then pressing the cool also. All right, so this is not the same. This hair is not from the same vendor as my previous human hair video, but I am using this headband from them because my current black one is dirty. But now I am going to melt the lace. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go chill, do other stuff, watch some K-drama or whatever while this melts, and then we'll come back and see the results. Hi guys, it's been about 2 hours or so, maybe like an hour and a half. So I'm gonna take off the band and we're gonna see how the lace is melted. I did end up putting a tissue in the back because it was compressing the back of my head too much. I made it really tight. Usually I wouldn't make the band so tight. I'll make it like somewhat, you know, tight, but not like as much as I just did right now. And I'll literally just like half the hair. Just have the band in and just go about my day. Or have the band in and then go to bed and then see how it melts in the morning. So it doesn't have to constrict your head so much and you're like, ah, no blood flow. I know. But yeah, so this is it. It looks really good. Yeah. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not really styling it because I'm not going anywhere, but that's it. Let's see. Yeah, probably if I was to style it, I'll probably part it a bit more and make it look like this. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. You are a wonderful, beautiful, magnificent individual. Bye, noodles. That's a term of endearment when I say it. Have a good day.